Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to block emails in Yahoo Mail. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a yahoo.com and press enter, then get logged into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your Yahoo login ID and password. Once you are logged into your account, you need to check your mail. For that, you need to click on the mail option on top of right corner. Here at the inbox page, you open any particular mail. At top, there are many options given: archive, move, delete, spam. Just beside, there you can see the three dotted horizontal line. You click on it. Here a little down, you can see the option of block senders. Click on it. Please verify that you want to block messages from the following email senders. You tick mark on the checkbox. If you want to block future email, then you tick mark on the checkbox, and if you also want to delete the previous mail, that is you delete all the existing mail, then you click on the checkbox. After you are all done, you click on OK. Deleting conversations. As you can see, block sender added. The conversation deleted from selected sender. That means the sender has been blocked. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to block emails in Yahoo Mail. Thank you.